He's gonna post this on,
he posted on YouTube.
Yeah, he posted on YouTube.
Making some bacon today, guys. Come look at the bacon.
You want bacon?
So look, come here.
Die!
So, we're cooking some bacon right there. Got some of the good pieces. They're very crispy. And yeah, so go.
I'm gonna go back to the
Something else.
cameraman.
Don't record. Don't record the
Okay.
Oh my god, it's a bubble!
So, no, look, just freaking fat, you idiot. Ah! Burn myself.
Pillow.
It bubbles too much and it hurts.
What are you doing? Get up there.
I don't want to
Try to- The star of the show is Evan.
Me and Layla, because me and Layla are the cooks.
Layla doesn't like being
I
on
can
camera.
cook mashed potatoes.
Oh, I'm cooking.
I can cook eggs. I can cook bacon.
But I don't want to record to Layla because she doesn't like being on YouTube
Oh my god.
at all. Ooh, let me see that bacon.
That bacon.
Evan's cooking class.
What you're gonna do first is just get your bacon, put it on the pan,
Yeah.
and then start warming it, and then
gonna go on your
turn
face
your
and
oven
then
on,
you'll be
not
crying
your
on your
oven,
lap.
your stove on, and then yeah. And it turns brown and crispy, and you flip it,
Pops.
but it pops, so be careful.
How do you know which
Pop
one's
right
yours?
here.
Oh, it popped. And it scared me.
You good, bro?
No, I'm not good, bro. I will kill you.
Look at the bacon.
It's not done yet.
Monday,
Look at that bacon. That bacon's done,
table resting clean.
but this is not. It's barely cooking. By this guy.
The reason these ones cook very fast because I put it on 5. And right now it's on 3.
Put it on 5 then.
No, that's the one that made me get popped.
Pop.
Can I have the bacon?
Hey.
Not right now until they're done.
Since they're done,
The cameraman and the cooks can be in here.
I'm a cook.
Cameraman.
Oh!
Oh.
Why did you move that?
I don't want to get popped.
How much are we going to make more? Does everybody get 2?
I don't know. And we're going to make the whole thing. Because it wasn't that much. Okay. Starting to get more. And never put grease or butter. Well, you can. I think you can put butter. But like, don't put grease on it because bacon makes its own grease. And if you put grease like that, then it's going to catch on fire and you're going to die.
I'm going to do other pieces, okay?
Okay, cut them up.
I know.
Start cutting them up. So when we're done, about okay.
Good.
Put these in the oil so they cook faster.
Cook, go. Cook. Does this one count?
I don't think so.
Yeah, that one should be good. Ooh, it's hot.
Bacon with the cooker.
That makes no sense. It should be cooking with Evan and Layla.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna name that in the title. Oh.
So what makes it not mean?
This feels gross. And we could have so much more bacon on this, but I just don't want to put a lot because the more that's on there, yeah, it's gonna bubble a lot. It's gonna.
These count, right? You flip them over.
Not this one. No, those. This one's good, but this one's bad.
Alexa, throw this away. No, I don't want to touch.
Oh, I was gonna do it, but okay.
Let's flip this one.
I'm not going to eating pig.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know.
You know what she said? You know what Alexa said? Yeah, that's good. Alexa's so stupid. She said, bacon smells like ham. It smells so disgusting. I said, no, dark. Bacon comes from a pig, and ham comes from a pig. And it's basically ham.
And you love ham, Alexa.
You eat sandwiches, right?
The bacon almost done. The video is about to end in like 20 minutes.
20.
Yeah, look. Because that's how long. But I need to delete
You mean
some.
20 seconds?
Yeah. I said 20 minutes. I meant 20 seconds.
We're going to have to do a part 2.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Okay, go, guys.